Time to give this street a fresh start, don't you think?
Absolutely. We'll have it fixed up in no time.
And with a final sweep, these pesky pebbles are gone. Nothing like a clean street to brighten your day. Look at this beautiful, fresh cement. I'm just gonna carefully place it right here so we can start building.
When we work together, the job gets done right.
That's right. Cooperation is the foundation of success. Let's see how smoothly this goes down. We just spread it evenly like this, and presto, perfect pavement every time. Wow, look at that shine!
Best road we've ever built. Ready for the parade.